Business discovery is a central aspect to business process management, or BPM. Business discovery helps uncover opportunities for process efficiencies that best address business objectives. When designing business processes, change can be driven by information, insights, and priorities that have surfaced during the business discovery process enabled by the collaboration among stakeholders. To support business leaders and business analysts in BPM discovery and design, IBM BPM Blueworks provides a set of cloud-based BPM tools for collaboratively capturing and scoping business strategies, capabilities, and processes. It's supported with a wealth of pre-built industry content and a robust user community to help business people better understand how and why business process management is relevant to their industry and for learning how others are approaching their process management projects. Let's take a look at how BPM Blueworks and its cloud-based content and community can help build BPM skills. BPM Blueworks has a wealth of content to help business users learn about business process management, as it helps to address industry and process area challenges. You can explore papers, podcasts, webcasts, and demos. There are also pre-built strategy maps, capability maps, and process maps available at no cost to accelerate BPM business designs. To further accelerate learning and collaboration, BPM Blueworks users can tap into the experience of subject matter experts. By reading and commenting on blog entries, users can gain perspectives and insights on process management topics. Let's bring BPM Blueworks to life by walking through a scenario that highlights a telecommunications process. Let's look at service configuration and activation. We will start by accessing the pre-built capabilities and processes supplied by the WebSphere Telecom Content Pack. We can see that there are a number of processes that will help us improve our business, but we are looking for service-related capabilities and specifically a service configuration and activation process to help us with our strategy. Once registered to BPM Blueworks, your team will get a business space where you can collaborate on BPM process discovery and design. You can collaborate on your strategies, your capabilities, and your processes in the cloud-based environment and leverage pre-built content to help you get started. First, we need to create our strategy, and then we can further explore the capabilities and processes. You can quickly create a strategy map by clicking on the strategy map icon in the toolbar. Let's create a strategy focused on service activation. New strategy maps start with a template where I can begin capturing business factors that influence my strategy, such as my organization's strengths and weaknesses, opportunities that we may need to take advantage of in the market, and threats that may be looming in the industry. Even when I'm not connected to BPM Blueworks, I can work on my strategy, and when I'm back online, I can paste my strategy into the outline view to quickly get back to where I left off. I'll add an additional goal and action. I can do this in either the graphical view or the outline view. Next, I need to fill in some details about the strategy. I'll add the owners of the strategy map. I can link my strategy map to my supporting capability map and verify that my new strategy will be supported by my company's current capabilities. One of my team members, Jonah, owns our capability map, and because Jonah is on my team, he can share his maps with me and with other members of our team. The last thing that I will do is link my strategy document that I started to build offline to this strategy map in case my team and I need to reference it in the future. I will now save this strategy map and view the linked capability map to verify that our core capabilities do in fact support our new service activation strategy. There are a variety of capabilities that we do today, everything from management of suppliers and partners to operations. Because my strategy focuses on service activation, I'm interested in the service capability and the service management and operations subcapability. I can see a supporting process called service configuration and activation that we could potentially use to support our new strategy. I can easily extend the process map by adding additional activities, decisions, and even subprocesses. These subprocesses can exist either in the BPM Blueworks community or within my company's business space. With this service activation process, I need to add a simple decision for the recovery of services and equipment for existing customers so that the pre-built process we are leveraging reflects my company's actual process. One of the great collaboration capabilities in BPM Blueworks is the ability to see who made updates to the model and when they made the updates. Let's sign in as Jonathan Tuttle. On the Documents view, we can search all the maps that our company has made available to Jonathan. In this case, we are looking for the Service Configuration and Activation map. Each company can decide who sees what maps and what rights any individual member of that company has. Only members of our company can collaborate on our maps. From the toolbar, I can click to see a revision history. When I mouse over each of the circles on the top, I can see who made the updates to the map and when. I also see that I am working on the most recent version. I can easily revert to an older version by double-clicking on one of the circles. Now that we've completed the design and discovery phase of our BPM project, it is time to export our process and import it into WebSphere Business Modeler, where we can start to work on process implementation and execution. BPM Blueworks allows you to discover how your company can leverage BPM concepts to improve your processes and increase your company's efficiency. After you've discovered the value of business process management, BPM Blueworks allows you to easily design your strategies, your capabilities, and your processes using cloud-based tools. BPM Blueworks will help drive your BPM project from inception to reality.